Hey guys, how's it going? Neil from N.P. Detailing. I've not done a video in a while, so I thought I'd do one today. Business has been a bit slow, you know, it goes lockdown, everyone's on the coronavirus thing. Hope people are keeping safe out there. Today I'm going to be doing a maintenance wash and putting some sealant on this brand spanking new Kia. So here's the car, brand spanking new. The customer brought it over, and yes, I did keep my social distancing. He was more than 2 meters, so kept my distance. You know, you have to do it, don't you? So 19 plate, needs a good wash. As you can see, it's dirty, got dust all over it. So what I plan to do is give it a good clean, dry it off, and put some Fuso on it. And I'll talk about Fuso a little bit later on in the video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, notification bell, so you get to know when my videos are up. And please add some comments down below. Be nice to hear from you guys. And yeah, check this video. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the wheels with Auto Smart's Red 7, which is a wheel cleaner and decontaminant. You can use it on the bodywork. Gets rid of brake dust, any contamination. It's pretty good. Leave it to dwell for a few minutes and you'll see the wheels. So what I've done is covered the car with the snow foam. What this does is loosen any remaining dirt after jet wash, and comes out, releases it onto the ground, and then you just jet wash the car away and it's nice and clean. Helps minimize touching the car, because obviously when you touch the car you scratch the car, so minimal touch the better, I suppose. So yeah, leave that on there for about 5 minutes, jet wash it off, dry it, and then I'll talk to you guys about Fuso. Right, what I've noticed is this car has got scratches where it's been rubbed with something. And also some residue. So polished out their hologram scratches that you saw earlier, and they're all gone. So finally finished the car, all washed, nice and clean. So this is a product I've been using as a sealant. Fuso Soft 99. It's a Japanese product. I know they got a website somewhere. It's a coating, lasts for 12 months. Very hydrophobic, really good. One thing I would say is when you're putting it on, less is more. And always spraying a bit of water, give it a bit of lubrication, and it goes on quite easy. Leave it for 15 minutes. I made a big mistake when I first used it. Left it on for half an hour, and my god, was it really hard to take off. So yeah, it's about £24 a tub. It lasts forever, and you need a little bit. It comes with a sponge, which is just an applicator. Comes with it. Just wash that out after you finished. So there you have it. So guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, add some comments down below if you want to know anything about detailing. Hit subscribe. I know everyone's on lockdown and things are a bit difficult at the minute. It's difficult for everyone. Business has been a bit slow for me, as I said before, but I'm trickling along, you know. You have to, I suppose. So yeah, stay safe, stay at home, you know, don't go out if you have to, unless you need to, and main thing is stay healthy. Thanks for watching.